I lost my funded trading account, not because my strategy failed, but because I made one decision that I knew better than to make. And the worst part, it happened when I wasn't even near my charts. This was a high-stakes funded trading account with the prop firm the 5 percenters. Months worth of discipline, of consistency, of dedication, all gone. Not from overtrading, not from revenge trading, but from something that a lot of traders overlook: holding a position over the weekend. So let me walk you through exactly what happened. Because if you're trading indices like the DAX, this is something that you're going to need to understand. I was trading the high stakes program with the fivers and everything was going well. I was up and in profit, following my plan, managing my risk properly and building the account steadily. Then I took a trade on the DAX. The setup itself was valid. It was a clear structure. There was a clean direction. It was a position that made sense from my trading plan. I entered the trade, I set my hard stop loss and my hard take profit order, and I walked away, as I do on all of the trades that I take. Normally, I would close my positions before the weekend. When the markets close on the Friday evening, any open positions that I would be in, I would close automatically to reduce my exposure risk. So at the moment, I have a lot going on, a lot of distractions in my personal life, and I completely forgot to close my trade. That one mistake cost me my funded account. What happened when the markets reopened on the Monday morning? Well, the markets had gapped. This can sometimes happen, most frequently with indices like the DAX, especially in times of high volatility, as we're seeing at the moment due to the global situation. The markets opened on Monday and we saw a huge gap, unfortunately in the opposite direction to the one that I was trading. It gapped straight through my stop loss order, but due to the gap, there was a huge amount of slippage. The order did not trigger at my set stop loss order, and in fact, it got me out of the position much lower than I had intended, which meant that I took a far bigger loss than what I had anticipated. My stop loss order was completely bypassed and my loss was a lot bigger. It wasn't big enough that I hit the max loss on my account. That's not what happened. So how exactly did I lose my account? I opened the charts on the Monday and I looked to carry on with my trading day, setting a position as I saw fit to. But as I took a couple of losers, which would be normal as part of my trading plan because my winners are larger than my losers, I had completely forgotten about this huge loss that I had taken because that was so abnormal for me. All of my losers are always the same amount, which is generally 0.3% on the account, a very small loss. This loser was much bigger because of the slippage, and I completely forgot about the max daily loss stop out rule that is with the high stakes account, which meant that when I took an extra 2 losing positions that same day, collectively with that large loss I took, it hit my max daily stop out on the account, and that is what violated the rules and essentially blew up my account. When it happened, I was really confused at first. I didn't know what had happened because I had completely forgot about that rule. It's why it's so important to read all of the rules when you are enrolled onto a prop account program. Here are some key lessons from this experience that I hope that you will take away and will help you with your own trading, especially if you trade with a prop firm such as the 5 percenters. Firstly, weekend risk is real. Markets can move tremendously up or down when they reopen on that Monday morning. And sometimes having a stop loss order just is not enough to navigate this market volatility. If you want to reduce your risk, it is always wise to close positions before the weekend. Secondly, remember that stop loss order is not guaranteed during a gapping market. Slippage is a real thing. Third, prop firms don't adjust for mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes, but that does not exempt you from the rules, which means that you have to be hot on and aware of those rules and adhere to them. My fourth tip is that discipline is crucial and to some extent matters more when you are succeeding, because you can become complacent. You think you've got it, you're winning, and that's certainly how I felt, but you've got to always remain disciplined, because if you don't, that's when those mistakes creep in and they can really rack up quickly when you are trading. Honestly, it is very frustrating. It is such a simple mistake and it wiped out a month's worth of progress on my funded account. The kind of mistake that you think, well, that won't happen to me, until it does. So I hope that you learn from my mistake and avoid it for yourself when you're own trading. This is a part of trading. We cannot just take the wins, we always have the losers to deal with as well. But it's how you handle those losses and how you grow from them that really matter. For me, it's reinforced something that is crucial. Always protect your capital above all else. And sometimes the best trade is knowing when to close the trade. If you've ever made a mistake like this or you've learned something the hard way, do let me know about your experience in the comments below. If you want to find out some more information about the 5%ers, the prop firm and the programs that they offer, I did create a separate video comparing the bootcamp program to the high stakes program, or there's a link below in the description where you can find out more. Thank you for watching. Bye.